BMW has just dropped something special for Canadian enthusiasts, and it's a move that's turning heads for all the right reasons. Meet the BMW 540i xDrive Legacy Edition, a limited-run luxury sedan crafted exclusively for Canada and built to celebrate classic performance with a modern twist. But don't blink, only 151 units will ever exist, making this a collector's dream straight from the factory. Let's start with what truly sets this car apart, the engine. While the global shift toward hybridization and electrification continues, the Legacy Edition brings back something enthusiasts have been craving, a pure inline-six engine without plug-in assistance. That's right, this is the first non-PHEV six-cylinder variant of the current generation 5 Series available in Canada. Under the hood lies BMW's iconic 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, producing a healthy 375 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque, enhanced by a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's signature xDrive all-wheel drive system, this sleek sedan rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.7 seconds. That's real sports sedan performance with luxury all around. But power alone isn't the whole story. BMW has dressed the Legacy Edition in special touches to make it look as exclusive as it drives. Each car comes standard with 21-inch individual wheels, the M Sport Pro package, and your choice of red or blue M Sport brake calipers. And the exclusivity doesn't stop there. Buyers will also be able to customize their car's appearance through BMW individual manufacturer colors with no additional charge. Featured here is a stunning Maldives Black 2 Metallic, a color inspired by the legendary E34 540i, a car remembered for bringing V8 performance to the 5 Series lineup back in the 90s. That throwback nostalgia hits hard for longtime BMW fans. If teal isn't your thing, no worries. BMW is offering a palette of sophisticated hues, including Oxford Green Metallic, Cinnabar Red, Grigio Telesto Pearl, Frozen Black, and Sepang Bronze Metallic, to name a few. It's a tasteful nod to BMW's legacy of elegant design blended with performance DNA. Inside the cabin, the Legacy Edition continues to impress. Standard features include ventilated front seats and a top-tier 18-speaker Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system, ensuring the experience behind the wheel is as luxurious as it is thrilling. It's the kind of refinement you expect from a modern 5 Series, with the heart of a true performance machine. While pricing hasn't been officially announced, estimates suggest this model will start north of 100,000 Canadian dollars, which is around 72,600 US dollars, placing it firmly in premium territory. But that's to be expected for a car this rare and this focused. BMW has already opened order books, and the first deliveries are expected in Q4 2025. So if you're in Canada and thinking about owning a slice of modern BMW history, especially one that won't be sold anywhere else, now is the time to act. This isn't just another 5 Series, it's a bold celebration of the brand's heritage, delivered in a sleek, modern package with a heart that beats with pure six-cylinder passion. In a world filled with electrified alternatives, the BMW 540i xDrive Legacy Edition is a breath of fresh air, raw, refined, and undeniably rare.